Okay, after you have the combination, okay, next how to integrate the single options. Okay, the single options can be used when you only have a single product to sell, or you can use this as an upsell. Okay, mean to say, let's say you have a children toy, the doctor set, and you can just upsell a doctor clothing. Okay, doctor clothing set. Okay, additional. You can just include additional, and then these are the options. Okay, doctor additional set. You should remember to add with a non, because uh, you want to let the audience have a chance to say whether or not they want this upsell or not. So if you don't have this add with non option, they would not be able to cancel it, and you might lose sales from there, right? So when you add it, you see that the additional options, there are non-option and the doctor's clothing set options. So remember to include the price here. For example, the doctor's clothing set costs about $15. So just indicate inside. Okay, non. Okay, there will be no cost. Okay, so with that, you have the main item. Okay, at the combination matrix, which is the doctor, uh, nurse, and dentist place set, as well as the single option for the upsell. Okay, you can have as many upsell as you want. Okay, but try not to go beyond three. I personally feel that me as a buyer, whenever I was asked to click more than 3 or 4 times, I rather um, stop everything and just forget about it. Okay, so stick with 1 to 3 upsell. I mean that's my uh, thing upsells, and a lot of uh, it, it really it still depends on what are the things that you are selling. But just imagine if you are the buyer, will you want to click 5, 6, 7 upsells, or you're okay with 1 to 3 kind of upsell? The lesser click uh, the audiences needs to do, the higher conversion rate will be uh, for your for the order to be placed, right? Okay, that's all.